What's going on, guys? It's me and JT, but you can call me Nick, and that's right, we're back, and we're playing some more Finals Tubbyland 3. We're going to be beating night 5 and 6. Maybe the secret night, we'll see how we go. If we don't beat it, we'll beat it next video.
Oh, would you look at those three consoles? Dance for me. And yeah, like, there's like a secret night skip that you can get by pressing.
Okay, the game better not crash this time.
Star, man.
Hey, you know how there's a
Hey, it's good to
night
see you here.
skip?
I won't be talking long this time.
Can you do that on the custom night, the secret night?
For some reason. I'm not even entirely sure.
We can give it a go, guys. Speed on way, because there's a night skip apparently.
And it sure is something. It says here you used to work at the very first location as a mechanic. Well, the second location. It also says a bunch of other not so important things about being a part-time bartender or something.
Well, if night 5 and
the phone must really be about
if night 5 and night 6 are
good luck on your last day on the job, and
if night 5 and night 6 are too hard, then obviously I'll skip it. Hey, can you be a little quiet so I can listen? Is that alright? Sorry. Okay, thank you. If you want to give me any tips, sure, that's fine. Just let me know if there's anything on your mind. I should stop checking the vents only if I hear the. Thinking we could go while I turn it off. Man, Jesus. It's not good.
Playing fake first. And yeah.
That would happen. I hope that will be okay. Oh my god, everyone's in my office. good thing is the
Oh, okay.
Tinky Winky's on his way. I mean, not Tinky Winky, Dipsy.
Oh, I failed. Oh, yeah. I can't think.
Where the hell is Dipsy gone? He's just disappeared out of nowhere.
I'm back. Random, like, this is on.
Alright.
Oh, no.
5 AM. Yes! Let's go. We did it. Alright, nice. Very good, guys. Very good. Alright, let's watch. Employee number 6. We are thankful for your work here and wish you a good day. You can choose to work over for some extra cash, but for now we enjoyed your service. Signed, the CEO of Tubbyland Innovations. Your paycheck will be mailed within the next 40 years. Stupid thing, man. Why would you do that to me, bro?
People, oh look, original light is following your mouth.
Yeah, I've noticed that.
Yeah.
I've noticed that whole time. Wow, that actually got me there. Okay, well, night 6 now. So we can unlock the extras menu in the custom night. Oh god, I can only imagine how hard this is going to be. What the? Oh, look at how cute. That's so cute. Isn't that from the first game, like you said? Wait, shh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, boy. But yeah, it's basically very better.
What the? Jesus Christ, that was a loud scream.
Yeah, I'll play that actual song.
Okay.
The menu. Oh my god, what happened?
And Poe's just gonna camp there. Perfect, man, perfect. Awesome. Jesus Christ. Lala's just running in and out very quickly. Poe's still there. No, he's gone. Lala, calm down!
Yes, the Lala hates at your center.
Bro, she's just coming in every 2 seconds. See? Oh my god.
Yeah.
Lala, you gotta tone it down a bit, mate.
Wait, what can you hear?
Bro, Lala keeps running in.
When you laser, when you like the laser.
I've gotta keep checking.
No, I died. Wait.
Like, can you keep it down so I can focus, please? So lucky I closed that door. I'm very lucky I closed that door. colour's annoying me.
Yeah, I got it.
Who is it? It's Tipsy.
What?
Jesus, this is so intense. You gotta move your fingers like.
Yeah. Yeah, I play all night that. Yeah.
I can't really hear you. I'm just trying to focus. So I'm just in the zone. You know when you're in the zone and you just can't get out of focus because of how intense it is.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry.
Oh.
Okay, Dempsey's coming. 5 AM. That's just good. That's good. I'm keeping that door closed. I don't know if anyone's there. I don't want to risk anything. Power's getting low. Yes, first try. I'm good at that. I'm good at first tries, guys. I'm very good at that. Let's go. Let's go. Ooh. Oh. What the hell's going on here? Oh, this is a nightmare, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, jeez. Look at that. Wow.
I know what's gonna happen. Blaze yourself.
Bro, that's a wicked smile. These laughs, Jesus. That really didn't scare me at all. Where's the extras, bro? There's no extras menu. Custom night. Pink. Why does it say P? What does that mean? What's P? What does that
It
mean?
means prototype.
Oh, sorry. That's right. They're prototypes. Max all.
Prototype. Yeah, max all.
Alright, so, how do we do the night skip? I just want to test it out. How do we do it?
Hold and plus. Hold P and then O and then plus.
Wait, so what do I have to type in?
Hold and then plus when you start night.
So, do I have to... Excuse me. So, I have to type in PO, and then click plus.
Basically, hold the keys, hold and then plus.
Okay,
Hold
where's my...
and plus at
Okay,
the same time.
alright. I'm getting ready.
You got balloon.
Why did my game crash again? Alright, let's try it. Let's try it then. Let's see if it works. Custom. Alright. Poe Plus. I wonder why it's Poe Plus. Okay. Max All Start Night. So we have to beat this in order to get the custom night, yeah? Okay.
Already have.
I mean, not the custom night, the secret night. Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Hey! It worked.
yeah.
Oh!
Paul.
Bro, this is a sick cutscene. Oh no, we died. Wow, what a shame.
There's something else after.
It's about time that you were put down. Okay, I'll contain my joy. Do you know why I am so joyful? You are now the Nunu. I was for any old scrub to the owner of this prison, but I never could. When I saw your face sitting there in the office chair, I was overjoyed. Do you know how long I've been in here? Decades. But it seems you're here to take my spot now. I was forced to take the spot of those before me, and now it's your turn to take over, so I get to leave. Remember how I mentioned to the others before me? Let me just refresh your memory on the purpose of the Nunu. I learned from the dead before me that this isn't just your everyday amusement machine. No, it's far more than that. The state you see it in now is its original form. Many rows of teeth and a vacuum design to hold in the corpses of the victims until they were disposed of. Though I don't think the disposing part has happened since before Tubbyland's creation. Kinda silly how I was able to make it so no one noticed me here.
Wait, hold on,
I'm not sure what will become of you, though. You've done terrible things to this company in the past, and I suspect that the worst is now in store for you. As for the player watching and guiding, I have a question. Are you still there?
Are you still there? Uh-oh. Okay, so we've possessed Nunu apparently, and accept your fate. But can we do both of them?
Yeah, but accept your fate
Really?
first.
Is this the true ending?
Give up?
Yeah.
I'm actually kind of proud.
So we just possess Nunu now.
You are
Wow.
taking responsibility for your actions. I didn't think you had it in you. How about I make it easier for you? We can both stay here, and maybe it won't be so bad.
Oh, he's being
I
nice.
think it's about time we start sticking together again, little brother.
What? Little brother?
Yeah, you're the brother.
Okay,
Yeah,
that is
you're-
completely weird. And why is there no extras menu still? Or is this like the extras menu in a way?
Yeah, this is
Still classified. Oh.
classified by the FBI. Oh, wait, go back. Go
Yeah,
back.
do you see that?
Wait.
Oh!
Yeah.
Oh! Find an animatronic to do the job.
Yeah. Yeah, I saw that. And you can get like Night X by waiting until you like see it. It only appears for like a split second. Oh, so best be quick
How long does this take, man? Where are we going?
to an animatronic to
Oh.
do the job.
Oh, wow, we just got jump scared. That's awesome, man. What a great... Awesome. Just awesome.
Awesome.
Does anything else happen in that?
And yeah, you should. And yeah,
Should I end the video there?
I don't think so. Yeah, Night X. Yeah.
Where's Night X?
Underneath Custom Night, it will appear randomly.
Oh, did you see
Yeah.
it? Oh! Oh, okay. Alright then, guys, I'm in the video there. Next video, we'll be getting the other ending, and we'll be doing Night X. So please leave a like and subscribe. See you guys next one. Bye-bye.